Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing day-old bread because drier crumbs crisp best. Tier 2-3 slices into chunks. Next, decide method. Use a food processor for fine crumbs or a skillet for golden, rustic pieces. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil or 1 tablespoon butter to help browning and carry salt and herbs. Once done with these steps, pulse or toast immediately. Quicker processing keeps crumbs from absorbing moisture and losing crunch. You now focus on texture and flavor. Pulse in 5-8 short bursts for coarse crumbs or 12-15 for fine. Do not overprocess or you'll get paste. If using a skillet, heat medium and stir constantly for 3 to 5 minutes so crumbs brown evenly without burning. Season while warm, half a teaspoon salt, fresh pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, or a little lemon zest to bind flavors and make the breadcrumbs sing with your salad. You finish by spreading crumbs on a tray to cool fully. Trap steam makes them soft, so single-layer cooling is essential. Once cool, store in an airtight jar for 1 to 2 weeks at room temperature or refrigerate up to 1 month for longer life. If crumbs become soggy after storage or salad contact, retoast them 3 to 5 minutes at 180 degrees to re-crisp. That quick fix restores texture without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.